Hello and welcome in, everybody. I'm Andromeda Astria, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your links in things like Twitch into clickable links so that people can click through and get to whatever it is you're trying to direct them to. So, your first question might be, why does it matter? Well, people are often quite lazy, and while having the link URL provided for them does technically mean that they can get through to whatever you're trying to get them to, if it's not a clickable button, a solid portion of them probably aren't actually going to click through to it. So, I assume if you have something that you would like to link people to on any social media, or specifically on Twitch is what we're working with today, you actually want people to go through to that thing you're linking them to. So let's go ahead and make that as easy as possible by making sure every link you have is a button that people can click on. So I'm going to go ahead and head on over to Twitch and I'll meet you guys there. Here we are over on Twitch. So you're going to click through onto your channel page. We're going to wind up at home, which isn't where we want to be. So we're going to go ahead and switch to the about section. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and here we find some sections that have some links. So each of these little purple words, it is a clickable link. I'm going to go ahead and click on our YouTube link just to show that it does actually go through. And there we go. It does actually click through to my YouTube page. So we're going to go ahead and go back to Twitch. We're going to go back up into Edit Panels. We're going to scroll down to the section we're working with. We're going to go ahead and highlight this so you can see exactly what we're working with. Now, it is very important to follow this very carefully. Whatever is inside the brackets is going to be the word that you click on, that purple word. You can see in this case, I have my brackets around the word YouTube. That makes this the word YouTube that you then click on. Now we have parentheses around the URL. So you need to have your parentheses around the URL. This is the link that is going to the page that you want to direct people to. Parentheses around the URL link, brackets around the title of that button you want them to click on. Now the most important part, and this is what is going to be going wrong for most of you, this is what I've seen on a lot of people's pages, is you've put a space here. And this, I'll show you what happens when we go ahead and submit that, update it, close this edit panel. When we scroll back down, get this. This is what I've seen on a lot of people's pages. It's not that hard to fix it. It should be really, really simple. But if this is what you're seeing on your page, if you're seeing the actual, technically the code going on here, then what we want to do is we want to go back up into that edit panel. We want to go ahead and scroll down. And you want to make sure you remove every single space from between the brackets and the parentheses. We're going to go ahead and submit that again, and what you're going to see is that that has indeed returned to a clickable link. And just to show that it does work, we're going to go ahead and go back through to the YouTube, and it does actually work. So this is not something that is really difficult to fix, but it is something that's really important to fix. It will definitely help you look more professional and make people much more impressed with your page. So hopefully that has helped out a lot of you, and you're going to be able to go through and make all your pages look nice and professional with these lovely clickable links. I will see you guys again next time. Have a wonderful day.